The earlier and the faster you take a trade, the higher your chances of making life-changing profit. Imagine taking whiff trade at the first day of launch. You would have made 10,000x from entry. Guys, in this video, I'll be showing you and explaining to you how you can use Bonkbot, a Solana bot, to become one of the fastest trader in the market. Before starting, if you have not subscribed to this channel, kindly hit the subscription button and turn on the notification bell so that when next I publish new content, you'll be the first to get notified. Okay, what do you expect from this video? What to expect from this video? First, we'll learn what are trading bots, and two, how to set up trading bot and how to connect it to your Phantom wallet, and how to use trading bot to trade. Okay, so we'll be looking at it from beginning to the end. All right. So the first, what are trading bot? Trading bot is simply a bot that allow you to trade, faster than other person. Now let me explain in such a way that you understand. When a token is launched, now there are some traders that are always 10 times faster than other traders. Okay, these traders, they use a special tool called trading bot. Now imagine a token is launched on Solana chain, maybe a meme coin is launched on Solana chain, and you are using DEX like Jupiter Exchange. Okay, you are using Radium to swap it. Okay, you didn't need to swap it. Sometimes the transaction will fail. Sometimes the transaction will take a long time before it can succeed. Now, you waiting, you delaying will make you to lose a huge sum of money, a huge profit, or a huge opportunity. Now, imagine a coin is launched at, say, $300,000 market cap, and because you delay it, automatically in less than few minutes, in less than 10 minutes, it rose to say 1 million or 2 million or even 5 million of market cap. So that means you have missed opportunity. So trading bot is a solution. Trading bot allows you to be faster. It's a tool that is on Telegram. It's a tool that is built on Telegram that allow you to take a trade and be faster than 90% of traders. Okay, so let's see this trading bot and how we can set it up. So for you to start using trading bot, you need to follow a link. Okay, check the description section of this video. You see a link. Bonkbot is the bot we'll be using. You see the link, click the link and it will take you to Telegram. When you come to Telegram, this is how it will look like. So this is how the trading bot will look like. And so we'll look at how to set it up and how to connect it to the Phantom wallet. That is the first thing we'll do. Then we'll now look at how to use it to trade. All right, so let's set it up. So you click on customize. This setting. So that you do this customize. You come here to click on customize, or you just go here and type slash setting. You can see here. So it will bring up this information. Okay, so this is how you customize your. Okay, then you may decide to read all this information: auto buy, button configuration, slippage configuration, MEV, to both transaction priority, sell. So we'll be focusing on the one that are very, very important to us. Okay, now the general settings, first and foremost, we are using English. Okay, we are using English, and it's already set on English. Auto buy, we don't want a scenario whereby we paste a contact address and the Bonkbot buy for us automatically. What if you change your mind later on? What if you change your mind? So we'll stay off auto buy. Okay, then buy configuration, we may decide to set it this way. Left, okay, let's see, 0.5. So follow this instruction. Okay, so that means left will now become 0.5. You can see. Then right, you just click on right and enter. Okay, let's say you are entering 10. Okay, 10 left will become 10 sol. Okay, sell button is on 50 and 100. Left is 50. You may decide to set it whichever way you want to set it. Let's say I want to set it to 75. Okay, I've set left to 75, and Okay, right to 100, we'll just leave it that way. Slippage. What slippage means is that most time a trade will not go, and slippage is like you are increasing the fee that you can pay so that the trade will go. So when you increase your slippage by, let's say you increase it to 20%, you are saying you are able to lose 20% so that your trade can go successfully. Okay, that is for buying. For selling, you say you want to sell. If you want to sell and you want to sell fast, want to be faster than other persons, you increase the slippage. When you increase the slippage, you are saying you are willing to sell at a profit but lose also percentage of slippage that you have imputed. So let's say we can impute 10% of slippage, 20% slippage, depending on the situation. Let's increase it to 15%. Okay, 15%. So our buy slippage is set as 15%. Our sell slippage, let's take it to 5%. Okay, just impute it 5%. Okay. Now what I notice is that you don't need to add the percent symbol. Just impute the number and it will read it. Okay. So we leave the order. Then transaction priority. Now the way trading bot works is that you need to set on transaction priority, especially Bonkbot. Okay, what it means is that if you are using high, so that means so amount of priority, this is the fee that you pay. If you are using very high, this is the fee you pay, and you can also increase your fee. If you are using medium, this is the amount you pay. But if you are trading meme coin, most time you want to be super early, then use high, or you use very high. Okay. Let's say we are using high. Okay, let's say we are using high. Okay. Okay, so we have set our trading bot and we are set to trade. All right, so the next thing to do is to connect. How do we form this Bonkbot? The next thing to do is to connect our Bonkbot. We'll connect it to our Phantom wallet. Okay, how do we do that? So to do that, you go to home. Okay, when you go to home, you see buy, sell, manage, help, but you see wallet. So click on wallet. Okay, so we have wallet here. Now it's currently showing that we have nothing on the wallet because this is a fresh wallet that is meant for this teaching. So what we need to do is to connect. How do we take our address and look at our address? So when we send sold to this address, we'll be able to fund the address and use it to trade. But what we want to do now is to export our private key. With the private key, you can link it to Phantom wallet, and you have your wallet, or you have your account on Phantom. So let's export. Click on export. I will not share my private key with anyone. This account is for teaching purpose, so there's no way I will share it. After the teaching, I will delete it. So you copy this private key. Okay, I've copied the private key, but let me see how the private key is. Okay, this is what I'm interested in. So I'll go to Phantom. Now, if you have not downloaded Phantom, if you don't know how to use Phantom, okay, if you don't know how to set it up, you can check my video in the comment section on how to set up Phantom and how to use it. So what we'll do is to add an account. You click on plus, then import recovery phase, import private key. We are importing private key. So let's name it Bonkbot. Okay, let's add so this is the address that we copied. This is the private key that we copied. Yeah. So here we have it. So we have our Bonkbot account. Yeah. So the next thing that we need to do is to fund the Bonkbot, is to fund this address. Okay, we'll fund this address. What I need to do is just to copy this address. Okay, I've copied the address, so I will fund the address. Let me fund the address. Let's fund the address. I'll send let's confirm if it is correct. DFZ. I like pasting mine. So let's try this and see. Next. Oh yeah, it has gone through. So we'll go and check two places. We'll check this place. We'll refresh our wallet on the Bonkbot. We'll refresh it. Let's cancel this. So when we refresh it, you should be able to see, find, okay, look at it. So this is the account we just funded. Okay, we can also go to the account on Phantom and check if it is there. Okay, this is Bonkbot. You can see that we have our soul on the Phantom account. All right, so now that we have set it up and we have connected it to Phantom, it is time to use it to trade. How do you use it to trade? Let's say you have a new meme coin or a new coin that is listed and you want to be faster than most people. What you need to do is simply this. The first step is to get the contract address of the project, of the coin, of the meme coin, whatever it is. Then you come to this place, paste it here and take a trade. So let's use this platform called okay, so let's say this is a coin that we want to buy this coin. If you want to buy this coin, let's say after doing research, you understand that this coin we do well. So you come to this place and copy the contract address. Now let me state that you can copy the contract address from Dex to, you can copy it from Desk Screener, you can copy it from CoinMarketCap or CoinGecko, wherever. Okay, but I decided to copy it from pump.fund. Okay, because this is Solana, okay, or meme coin platform. Okay, so I've copied it. Then I'll come to this place. I'll come to Telegram or Bonkbot and paste. Once I paste, to give me information about the token. So the name of the meme coin is Michi, and this is the contract address. So this is the price of Michi, and this is change in 1 hour, in 1 hour's time, 5 minutes, and 6 hours, 24 hours time. And this is the market can 117 million. Okay, price impact. Okay, so it shows me all the information, all the data that I need to make decision. So I'll click on buy. So I can't buy up, I don't have up to 0.5. So I don't have up to 10. So, but I can use X, buy X. So buy X means you input the amount that you buy. Okay. So we are buying 0.02. Transaction sent, waiting for confirmation. Wow, swap successful, bought 14.475 Michi for 0.02. So okay, you can see, you can check all the information. Now the profit. Okay, I'm not making profit at the moment. Net profit, I'm not making any profit. Now this the initial buy. This I bought 14 Michi. Okay, so what do I need to do at the moment? Now let's say I waited for some times and I'm making profit. Let's say I'm making 2x. I want to sell. How do I sell? So you can see on this page, you can see, you may try to refresh and see how the token is performing. Okay, so I want to sell. So you can come to this place and click on sell X percent. Okay, and okay, I want to sell 100%. 100. Yeah, swap successful, 17.47 for dash. So this is, I've sold it, although I made a loss, but it is fantastic. I've sold the Michi that I bought. So this is how to buy, and this is how to sell, this is how to configure, and this is how to connect your Bonkbot to your Phantom wallet. So guys, this is simply how you can become a faster trader than the average Joes or the average trader out there. And with this, you make more profit, because trading is about being fast and being super early. If you are fast and super early, your upside will be higher than most people. Okay, if you see this content very useful, kindly hit the subscription button, subscribe to this channel. Okay, when you subscribe to this channel, what happens is that you encourage me for creating good content. Okay, when you encourage me, I'll create more of this content, helpful content. And also Google will show it to many people, and many people will also benefit from this information. So hit the subscription button, subscribe to this channel, like, comment. Do you have any question? Comment below. Now on this channel, there's a video on how to set up Phantom wallet. Check it out. Check the description section. You also see the video. And Coin Dollar has a community, or a Telegram community. The link to join the Telegram community is in the description section check it and use it to join the community.